Hi, my name is Favor. Welcome to my channel. Today we have a Sips By. Okay, so let's get started. This is Sips By. You guys know I am a hot beverage lover, be it tea, coffee, it doesn't really matter. I love them both. And when I travel, I like to have it with me. In the evenings, I like to cozy up with a cup of tea. By the time the evening rolls around, I don't really want anything super sweet, so a cup of tea is perfect for me. Now, I like my coffee sweet and my tea bitter. Now, I don't mean bitter as in foul tasting. I just don't like it sweet. So, with Sips By, you get 4 different teas per month, which is a total of 15 plus cups of tea. Now for me, it's more than that because I double brew my tea bags and fresh tea. I double brew it, sometimes triple brew it. It just depends upon the tea. And it's $15 a month. With the code FAVOR5, you can save $5 off your first box. So for $10, you can try out 15 plus cups of tea. Now what I love the most about this box is the fact that I like to try different teas. But I don't always want to commit to a full box of tea. It's difficult to find just like an individual tea bag. In fact, I don't even know where you can. So this box allows that. You will fill out, and I'm gonna pop it up on the screen here. You will fill out a survey. You'll take a little quiz that will run through different tea types, what you like, what you don't like, your preferences and things like that. And that will allow them to tailor this box specifically for you. It's customized for you. So just because I get this box doesn't mean you'll get the same box. So that's something I really appreciate. Now you can see my box has been through the ringer this month, but that's okay. There's nothing fragile in here. So also wanted to talk very quickly. If they send you a loose tea, they will send you tea bags in here for that tea, which I really appreciate. So, okay. Oh, yummy. Oh, my little thing is September tea, Sips By box. There we go. And then, oh, I'm excited. Okay, I apologize if you hear my pupper in the background. I'm in the kitchen. I find it easier to film this one in the kitchen because this is where I brew my tea, and I like to share a cup of tea with you from my new box because I'm too excited to wait. Okay, so this is my paper that comes with it, made for Favor, Life with Favor. Like I said, this is specific to you and your preferences. Sorry, I'm cutting so much. She went to get another drink of water, so I just wanted to cut that out so you didn't have to listen to it. Here are the tea bags. You can use this one as well. Just remove the sticker. It's reusable, not the sticker, the bag. And inside are these tea bags. They're fantastic. They are fantastic. I've never had one break on me. I've never had one tear. And like I said, I double and triple brew. I did suggest that they start selling them on their website. That would be fantastic. Maybe they will. So here you go. Now, any of the teas that you pick, that are picked for you, you are able to review on the website, and they keep track of it. So that way you know which teas you've received. So if you find one you really, really love, you're able to go and purchase it with a discount code. So that's something I really appreciate because I have found some teas I absolutely love with this box. Okay, so let's start with this one. All right, so you will receive enough of each one to get 3 or 4 cups of tea from each. So this one is, what is this one? This is Asheville Tea Company. This is black tea, calendula, bergamot essential oil, so it's Asheville Gray. Okay, and it has a little information about the company and the tea and how to properly brew it. It's just a guideline. You can brew tea however you're comfortable brewing it. I just throw over here I have a Cuisinart, which is similar to a Keurig, but it's not a Keurig. I just have it brew me a cup of hot water, and I make my tea with that. You do it however you prefer. Okay, this is Asheville Tea Company. This is a high caffeine. Asheville Tea Company collaborates with small farms in western North Carolina to source fresh organic botanicals and herbs. This Earl Grey blend features locally grown calendula flowers. And you can save 15% off, and it gives you the Instagram, their Instagram page, so that you can follow them there. This is 1 bag per 8 ounces of water. This is organic black tea, locally grown calendula flowers, organic bergamot essential oil, and steep for 2 to 3 minutes at 208 degrees. So that sounds lovely. I think I'm gonna really like that. I'm sure I will. Okay, and then here is the next item in here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah. This one is 7 Smith tea makers. Ah, okay, here's this one right here. This is White Petal Smith tea maker. Is that the right one? Am I? Yes. This is China White Full Leaf Tea, Chinese osmanthus flower, Egyptian chamomile, and Pitaeus, and natural flavors. New words. This is a low caffeine, delicate shade dried white tea leaves from China's Fujian province are naturally high in antioxidants. Chamomile and osmanthus add fragrant, toasty, creamy, slightly sweet flavor. 20% off, so you can save 20% off if you like this and want to purchase it. 1 sachet per 8 ounces of water, 190 degrees, and steep for 3 minutes. So there you go, that's the perfect way to brew this tea. This sounds amazing. It says only the top leaf and bud are used for making Bai Mu Dan or white peony tea. These delicate, now my cat's playing, these delicate shade-dried leaves from China's Fujian province are naturally high in antioxidants. So that sounds wonderful. That sounds wonderful. Now, if you watched last month's unboxing of my Sips By, I discovered I actually like tea with milk. So I'm wondering if we're gonna need any of these with milk. Okay, now these are loose teas. So let's see, this is Arbor Teas, Peach Ruby. Now you told me how to say this, Rubus. I'm not even gonna try. That was like 3 weeks ago and now I can't remember. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm getting text messages from my dentist. This is Organic Peach Rubius, okay, by Arbor Teas. This is caffeine free. This blend combines rubus. You guys don't make fun of me. I'm trying. I'm gonna practice that word so next time I have it down. With the essential oils of peach, adding a subtle peach flavor atop the already apricot-like rubus, hot, delicious hot, and also makes an amazing iced tea. Okay, since it's peach flavored, I would imagine I would prefer this as an iced tea, but I'm not sure. Fruit teas are new to me. I did ask that they send me everything but sweet tea. Anything sweetened, I wasn't interested in. And I really appreciate that they're sending me stuff like this. I am definitely going to try this, but I would like to try this iced and hot. As it is still very warm here in September in Texas, this will be great. I'm going to enjoy this. So I'll have this with dinner tonight. I'll have some iced tea. Excellent. Okay. And last, but certainly not least, I've saved the best for last. I love chai tea. I think many of us do. This is Sabroso Chai, a blend of cultures, Mystical Chai. Okay, Mystical Chai by Sabroso Chai. This is a high caffeine. Mystical Chai lets us embrace the magical elements that make us who we are by helping us feel healthy and powerful. Enjoy this blend on its own or add a splash of milk. Okay, so we'll try this one today. You know, you do have a discount code to purchase the full size. So this is 1 teaspoon per 8 ounces of water, 212 degrees Fahrenheit, and steep for 4 minutes. This is Assam, black tea, cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, and pepper. I'm gonna love this. I love spicy teas. I love spicy coffees. It's sweetened spicy coffees. I'm going to really enjoy this. Okay, so let's get busy. I'm gonna show you this in here. So I take these, I'll slip them in a zip top bag just to keep them nice and fresh because, you know, I don't know, will it go stale? I'm not sure, but I certainly don't want it to. So, oh wow. Oh, that smells like fall or Christmas in a tea. Look at this in here. Let's see if I can show you. Isn't that pretty? That looks tasty. Okay. So I have it sitting there. So it says 1 teaspoon. So let me get our, now they always send you more than you'll need, which is fine. I have a small collection of them now and I love it. I love them. Okay, all right, so let's get a teaspoon in here. Make sure we get a nice variety of little bits and pieces. So there we go. I'm gonna put it in here and turn it. and pull it. Okay, so let's brew a cup of tea. I know, we use steep tea, I know, but we're brewing it because it's going in my coffee pot. I'll share with you. Okay, there's the Neuro Mints in my Bombay and Cedar. Oh, so delicious. Okay. So we're going to hot water. I really enjoy my little Cuisinart machine here, a lot. I just picked this up recently. I will link it for you. It's a really nice coffee brewer. It has storage on the side for the little pod that goes in the top here where you can make any type of coffee you want. It's very convenient. It stores right on the side of the coffee pot. I like it. I like this coffee pot a lot. It smells heavenly. Oh my goodness. Very aromatic. Oh my goodness, it smells delightful. I usually leave my tea out right back here in the corner of my kitchen. I just leave it right there in the box, ready to go with the instructions. And then I save the little card that it comes with. Let me pull it out. I just sat everything on top of it. Save this little card. That way I know how much tea I need to use in the for the loose teas. It's just something I enjoy doing. Often I make notes on my little card reminding me of what I liked about the tea, or, you know, maybe I wanted more tea than suggested or less, or whatever the case may be. My camera cut me off. Okay, this tea smells delightful. I'm a little concerned it's a little warm. Oh, that is so delicious. It's not overly strong. Now, I don't take my tea bag out of my tea. I actually leave it in there, and I will add more water to it and throw it in my microwave, or I'll just brew another cup. This is really, really nice. I would imagine you could make like a chai latte with this, although I don't want to. I really enjoy this flavor. That was one of my cats fussing at another one of my cats. But I'm going to ignore it. I'm going to enjoy this hot cup of tea, take a few minutes to relax and enjoy it, maybe catch a video or two, and then I'm going to get moving with my day. But this is the type of tea, even though, did it say this was high caffeine? Let me check. Yes, this is the type of tea I like to get my day started with. Such an inviting, warm, comforting scent. This would be a great tea to have on hand when you're having company, maybe at Christmas or for the holidays. Your whole house is gonna smell like the holidays with this tea. Chai tea is delicious. I encourage you to try it. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I will leave everything in the description box for you. Please remember to use the code FAVOR5 to get your first box for $5 off. That means your first box is $10. You can't buy tea anywhere for $10 for 15 cups of tea. Different cups of tea, especially like chai teas and things like that. Those can get a little expensive. I picked up a tea for my throat the other day at the grocery store, and it was $6.99 for 8 bags of tea. So I just feel like this is a great value. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.